Daniel was given a vision of 4 beasts rising up out of a sea. As years went by, the Apostle John was given a vision of a 7-headed wild beast rising up out of that very sea. Take note that the sea that these beasts are rising out of symbolically represent the huge masses of mankind alienated from Yahweh. The 4 beasts represented 4 kings that will come up from the earth. Therefore, these beasts signify 4 world powers. It is safe to say that the visions of the beast and the immense image of Nebuchadnezzar's dream correspond with one another. The 4 world powers can be represented by the 4 metals that the immense image was made of. When it comes to the 4 wild beasts, the beasts signify the traits and how these world powers would affect certain events. The first beast would be the lion with wings, corresponding with the gold head of the immense image, which came to be Babylon. Like a lion, Babylon was merciless and fierce and devoured nations, including Yahweh's people. And with its wings of an eagle, Babylon was swift as it was aggressive in nature. Later, as described in the Bible, the lion would have its wings plucked out. This would represent a slowing down or losing of its speed in conquest. Around the end of Belshazzar's rule, Babylon lost its speed and lion-like rule over the nations. It was no faster than a man on his 2 feet and getting the heart of a man, in other words, becoming weak, lacking the heart of a lion. The second beast would be the bear with the 3 ribs inside of its mouth. This corresponds with the silver breast and arms of the immense image, which came to be Medo-Persia. Symbolically, this bear was being raised up on one side, getting ready to attack and overthrow nations to become a world power, though it could be debated if this is a fact or if it's significant at all. The 3 ribs in the bear's mouth could symbolically mean the 3 directions in which it pushed its conquest, or the number 3 in the Bible is symbolic for intensity, being parallel to the bear's greed for conquest. Again, this is debated. The third beast would be the leopard with its 4 wings and 4 heads. This corresponds with the copper belly and thighs of the immense image, which came to be Greece. Greece went through Asia Minor, Egypt, and the border of India. Alexander the Great's domain was greater than that of the bear because it included Macedonia, Greece, and the Persian Empire. This leopard became 4-headed after Alexander the Great died in 323 BCE, paralleling the time when 4 of his generals became his successors in different parts of his domain. The 4th beast was unlike any other beast. With its 10 horns, it is described by Daniel as fearsome and unusually strong. This corresponds with the iron legs of the immense image, which turned out to be the Roman Empire. Rome had taken over the 4 divisions of the Grecian Empire, and by 30 BCE, Rome had become the next world power of Bible history. Rome was powerful and fearsome, crushing everything in its path by military force. The Roman Empire's domain reached from the British Isles, Europe, around the Mediterranean, Babylon, and to the Persian Gulf. The beast is described as having 10 horns and having 1 dominant horn that will replace 3 horns. What are these horns? This will be discussed in part 4 of this video.